All right, for this video, we're going to go over just the very basics of perimeter and area of rectangles. You can see I drew the picture of the rectangle above in blue. There's two dimensions to a rectangle. I'll say this is W, which is the width, and right across from that is also W. And then right here we have the length, and across from that we have the length right there. Now, to kind of go over the formulas for each, for perimeter means that's the distance around an object. So if I did the distance around, I would add all of these together. So if I did, W plus W, I would get 2W. And then I'm going to add the other two sides. So if I had L plus L, that would give me 2L. So this is 2W plus 2L. Okay, so that gives me the perimeter. Area is a little bit different. Area is basically all the space that's inside this rectangle, what I'm shading in right there. This formula is easier to remember. Area is just always equal to length times the width. All right, so let's use those two formulas just to answer each of those two questions for the intro. For number one, we're dealing with, has perimeter of a square is 36 inches. What is the length of each side? Probably can get that right away using mental math. If not, it's always good to draw a picture. So a square, all four sides are equal. So since all four sides are equal, instead of saying L and W, they're all the same, the length and the width. So I'm just going to say these are all X. Now, the perimeter, if you added all these up, the X plus X plus X plus X, if you add all those up, it's 4X. And he set it equal to 36. So if you divide by 4, you get X to equal 9. So it's 9 inches. So that's the length of each side. Okay, and a lot of times it helps by drawing the picture. Okay, I'm just going to move up. It's a little bit bigger. If I were to do number 2, saying find the length of a rectangle whose width is 12 feet and the area is 180 square feet. Well, I'm just using this formula right there. So the area is this, 180, and I set that equal to, I have what, length, which I don't know, and I'm saying the width is 12. So this is where I'm putting this width, so I'm saying 12. So then to get the length, all I do is I divide by 12, both sides. And when I do 180 divided by 12, that gives me 15. So the length here is 15 feet. All right, so main thing, just remember perimeter is when you add the distance around an object. Area is the space inside it.